Hello students, this is Suman Goel from Maharaja Agarsen School Hisar. Today we are going to revise EVS unit test syllabus. बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हम लेसन 7 और 8 रिवाइज करेंगे. Tick the correct answer. Animals which have hair on their body are called mammals. A group of wolves is called pack. Which animal is shy by nature? Rabbit. A dash sits inside the mouth of a crocodile. Plover. A dash have an ability to camouflage. Stick insect. Write T for true and F for false statement. All workers ants are females. True. Birds have small ears to listen to sounds. False. Animals cannot camouflage themselves in their surroundings. False. A male bee is also called a drone. True. A bat gets to know how far an obstruction is by echo. True. Fill in the blanks. Animals have different dash covering to suit the place they live in. Body. Home of honey bees is called beehive. Animals have dash or internal ears. External. Dash and dash are very shy animals. Rabbit or fox. A dash can change its color to match its surrounding. Chameleon. Give examples of each of the following. Animals living in groups. इसमें 2 एग्जाम्पल देने हैं अपने को. डियर, एलिफेंट. कॉलोनीज ऑफ एनिमल्स, आंट्स, बीज. शाई एनिमल्स, रैबिट, फॉक्स. एनिमल्स बेनिफिटिंग ईच अदर, क्रोकोडाइल, प्लोवर बर्ड. बर्ड्स एग्रीट, काउ. एनिमल्स इन camouflage, कैमेलियन और स्टिक इंसेक्ट. अब हम लेसन 8 इसकी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. विच ऑफ दीज पार्ट्स ऑफ ए प्लांट इज अबव ग्राउंड? स्टेम. विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज नॉट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ए टैप रूट? विट. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ए फाइबर्स रूट सिस्टम इज ग्रास. एरियल रूट्स आर फाउंड इन विच ट्री? banyan. Which binds the particles of soil? Roots. Fill in the blanks. A plant has dash as its main part, root. The part of a plant above ground is called shoot. Mangrove trees grow in soil that is waterlogged. Dash are roots eaten where there is a famine. Cassava. We should not cut plants and trees to prevent dash soil erosion. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. Plants that have a main root, its root is called taproot. True. Plants with many thin fiber like roots of similar size, that roots are also called taproot. F. False. Cherry and apple trees have propagative roots. True. Mangrove trees have aerial roots. False. Extra food made by a plant is stored in the roots of some plants as starch. False. बच्चों, अब हम इनके लेसन 7 और 8 के क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे. Why do some animals move in groups? The animals move in groups to find food and water to stay safe from enemies. Define camouflage. Give one example. Camouflage is an ability to living beings to merge with their surrounding so that it is difficult to be seen by enemies. Example, chameleon. What is the role of animal leader? Group leader. Let the group give them protection and train young ones. How do animals protect themselves? Animals protect themselves from enemies in different ways. In forests, birds and animals live on trees and warn other animals by screaming when they see any danger through enemies. What are the function of queen bee, worker bee, drone bee? Drone bee. Drone bee helps the queen bee to reproduce. Queen bee, main function of queen bee is to lay eggs. Worker bee. Eggs are looked after by worker bee. Lesson 8. Question answer. How many parts does a plant have? Which part of plant absorbs water? Plant has two main parts, root system, shoot system. Root absorbs water from the soil. How do taproots and fibrous roots differ? Taproot. These roots are long and thick. Fiber roots. These are thin fiber roots. These roots grow straight downward in the ground. Example, carrot, radish, etc. These roots grow from the base of stem and spread downward in the ground. Example, wheat, rice, etc. Write two main functions of roots. Two main functions of roots are: fix the plant in soil, absorb water and minerals from the soil. Write the name of a plant with aerial root. Name one root that you eat. Banyan tree has aerial root. We eat potato, turnip, etc. Why does a plant die when it is pulled out of soil? Plants need water and food to survive. They absorb water and minerals from soil, so when it is pulled out of soil, it will die. बच्चों, अगली वीडियो में हम लेसन 9 और 10 करेंगे.